Hi guys, you're welcome back to Blessing Morris TV. Today we are making chicken curry sauce. Yes, chicken curry sauce. I'll be teaching you how to make delicious chicken curry sauce. I love it with white rice. So for the ingredients, we have chicken. You can use your beef as well, but I love chicken with it. That is why I call it chicken curry sauce. And corn flour. Yeah, this is corn flour. This is vegetable oil, and this is spice. The only spice I need here is the curry powder. We have seasoning cubes and salt. And for the vegetables, these are the fresh vegetables we will be needing for the curry sauce. This is Irish potato. Irish potato is optional, but I love it. And this is green beans. We have carrots, and we have the yellow bell pepper. This is yellow bell pepper. You will love the flavor in chicken curry. And this is red bell pepper, and this is the green pepper. They are all in the same category of pepper. You will love the flavor when you mix it together. We have onions, we have cabbage, and we have ginger and garlic. The cabbage is optional, guys. It's optional, but I love it in my chicken curry. Let's begin by slicing our vegetables. I love cutting my carrots in a big size. Guys, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell to enable you get notifications whenever I drop a new video. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I appreciate you for always coming back to watch my video. So guys, this is the Irish potato. We are slicing the onions. Guys, all the vegetables are well sliced and ready to be used. So guys, let's steam our chicken. I add my sliced onions. This is ginger and garlic, chopped ginger and garlic. We are adding the seasoning cubes and salt, and this is thyme. Yes, and this is the cross curry powder. In as much as this is a chicken curry sauce, I don't like adding too much of curry powder to the chicken, so I steam for a few minutes without adding water before I introduce my water. So all the ingredients we go into the meat. I allow to cook for a few minutes, and when the chicken is very soft, I bring them out. If you want to fry your chicken, you can go ahead and fry it, okay? But I decided not to fry this one. Now to the main business. I poured the vegetable oil into the pot, fried my onions, the first vegetable I'm going to introduce is the Irish potato, so it will become soft. I don't cook my vegetable for a long time, so I don't like cooking my vegetable for long. I just add them and turn off fire immediately. So in order not to make this Irish potato strong or half done, so I have to add them first and cook it for a while in the oil before introducing other ingredients, okay? Before introducing other vegetables. That is why I cook it for a few minutes before adding my carrots. Time for the green beans. Guys, it's looking more colorful, right? Time for the green pepper, the red pepper, the yellow pepper. All the peppers are here. All the peppers have been introduced. Now for the fresh pepper. Yes, I added local fresh pepper. I forgot to show you guys when I was introducing the ingredients. Yes, I added fresh local pepper. And finally, the last vegetable I am adding is the cabbage. Yes, because the cabbage needs to taste very fresh. You don't have to cook your vegetable for long. And time for the seasoning cubes. Yes, I added just two because I have already added the seasoning cubes into the meat stock and introduced my salt. I mixed celery before adding the chicken. Remember, I told you guys if you want to fry your chicken, you can go ahead and do that. And this is the chicken stock. This is the chicken stock, or you can call it the meat water. Time for the thickener. Remember, I'm using olive corn flour to thicken the sauce. So I added just 2 tablespoons into the plate, and I mixed with cold water. Not really cold water, not ice water, just normal water. After mixing celery, I add them into the sauce. If you don't want to use the corn flour, you can smash your Irish potato and use it as thickener. Okay? So guys, our chicken curry sauce is ready to go down with white rice. I love my chicken curry sauce with white rice, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for cooking with me today. If you love this video, please give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment. If you have any question, if you have any opinion, please drop your comments. And don't forget to click on the notification bell. I will see you in my next video. Bye.